Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can add mockups to your items on Etsy, so let's get right into it. Now, I'll be using this guide by Gelato to explain everything over here, and this guide will be including Gelato, which I do recommend you use for this since it is very useful, and I do have a tutorial on how you can set it up as well. But yeah, what mockups are? Mockups are basically if you're selling, I don't know, graphic tees, you can take a plain white t-shirt and add a design or a graphic onto it, and that is pretty much a mockup. It is an edited image that shows the final version of the product that people are ordering. These are very useful, for example, for print on demand items. And yeah, so let's get right into how you can actually do so yourself. So what you're going to need to do is, of course, you should connect your Etsy store to Gelato. If you're planning on using Gelato for this, then just add a new product to Gelato or create a new product on Gelato to add to your Etsy store. And then after uploading your design, you just need to select how many or how you want to present your product on Etsy. Just choose from a variety of images to present your products on your Etsy store. And yeah, that is pretty much how you can do it. You can also choose your mockup style, then choose the specific mockups you want to feature, and that should be pretty much it. There's really nothing else to mention on this side of things. It's actually very easy to do. You can even add the image in Photoshop or whatever and just upload the tee with the image onto Etsy. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.